This video outlines the trading strategies Darvas used to make his $2 million. It'll give you an overall picture of what Darvas trading is and how you can use his strategies to start to become a proficient trader and achieve your trading goals. Darvas trading was developed in the 1950s by Nicolas Darvas, a professional dancer who turned a few $1,000s into $2 million in a very short time frame. In today's money, that's the equivalent of $24 million. Not bad. The strategy's based on sound trading principles that have stood the test of time and are still used successfully today, over 60 years later. The Nicolas Darvas story is unique for many reasons. It's a true story, well documented and authenticated at the time. He was even interviewed by Time magazine. Darvas did not have inside information or work within the financial industry, nor was he some sort of financial whiz kid. In fact, he was one half of the world's highest paid ballroom dancing team at the time. With Darvas, there's no mystery as to how he made his fortune. Unlike other theories put forward by so-called market gurus, there's no need to spend years attempting to unravel some mystical form of analysis. You can trade like Darvas today. Simple, practical, and logical is the best way to describe the Darvas box theory. Darvas' story and his trading technique were described in his first book. His method, like all good systems, is simple and founded in logic. All that's required is the discipline to follow it. What set Darvas apart from most other investors is that he was always analyzing his trading results and working on the ultimate trading plan. He incorporated the ability to maximize profits while putting in place risk management rules that would lead him to make a fortune within a short time. So what did Darvas do? Darvas strategy seeks out and finds shares in growth and sets in place steps for you to protect your money. Darvas allows you freedom as it removes emotion from your trading decisions, no more listening to hot tips from your neighbor. Darvas trading helps build your wealth using solid, proven principles. In broad strokes, the Darvas list of principles are buying the right stocks at the right time, small losses, and big profits. His best weapons to do this were price and volume, box theory, automatic buy order, automatic stop loss, sell order. At Darvas, we teach you these strategies and how to implement them. Not only that, our Darvas software instantly scans the entire stock market to find you the stocks that are rising. We guide our trading community through all this, but for now, we want to talk about opportunity. Buying stocks allows you to become a part owner in some of the biggest and most successful companies in the world, as well as successful businesses in growth. You're able to benefit from their growth and build your personal wealth. We are passionate about helping people do this and know that with our Darvas software, you can achieve your financial goals. To illustrate the opportunity that you have, check out this Dow Jones graph of 100 years of history of the stock market in the USA. It gives us a very clear picture, despite downturns, of overall strong upwards growth. Even in a volatile market like today, there are still great opportunities which Darvas software helps you find. Darvas trading is perfect to help you win in all market conditions. So we know there's an enormous opportunity for making money in the stock market. Ultimately, realistically, the goal of everyone entering the stock market is to make money and to preserve your capital. At Darvas, we teach you the various trading strategies and required disciplines to succeed, but to begin, here are some things to think about. Set your trading goals. Write them down and be realistic and specific. There's no need to rush. The stock market has been there for over 100 years and is going to outlast us all. Instill discipline into your trades to preserve and protect your capital. At Darvas, we teach you this. Get your fundamentals right and be patient. Trading can give you freedom. You can trade from anywhere in the world, and anyone can do it if you get the fundamentals right. And finally, just bear in mind, if you master this career, you don't have to work for anyone else again. To learn more about Darvas trading, go to darvas.com.